Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your local PC or your local computer. Now, in case you want to learn how to design websites using WordPress, but you don't have or you're not ready to buy domain hosting, then this video is for you. You want to play around, you just want to be familiar with WordPress, but you're not ready to buy domain and hosting, then this training is for you. Now, I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress on your local PC so that you can use it to design a professional website. And one thing I like about this is because you will not use a lot of data. Now you can work on your website without internet. So without wasting much time, let's go to open your browser and enter localwp.com and click enter. localwp.com and click enter. So it will take you to this website. Let me close this. Over here we have login. Click that. And now here you have to select your operating system, your computer operating system. I am on Windows, so I will select Windows. After that, you have to fill in these details, your first name and username. I will select this one. Then you can select the agency. After that, just click get it now. Okay, so it will open like this automatically. If it did not happen, you can click here to just go ahead and download it. But I have the application already. It is at downloads, so I don't have to save it again. The size of this application is 600 MB, around 600 MB. I already have it, so I will cancel that. Okay, so now we have the application. Let me go to my folder and go to downloads. That's where I have the application. Okay, so I will double click on it. By the way, my name is Samuel Quenes. I'm the founder of eReader and Localhost. Okay, now let us continue. So over here I will click next and install. Localhost is our web hosting company or platform where we sell high-speed web hosting server to our students and our clients. Now, eReader is a web designing company. That is, I'm the founder. We design professional websites for all our clients. If you need a professional website, just reach out to us. We will create stunning website for your business. Okay, a responsive one and mobile, okay, or mobile friendly. Now let's wait. As you can see, the installation is done. So I can click here, finish. Good, now it has opened. I have one website here because I created this site when I was making tutorial on that is how to install WordPress on the local host in Ghanaian language. That is the country. Okay, so if you're watching this video and you know how to, you understand tree and you are comfortable with that, then below this video there is a link which will give you the access to the free version of this video. Okay, so here let's say we don't have account. So in case you don't have account, you will not see anything here. Okay, or I can just go ahead and delete it, but I don't want to do that. Okay. As you can see, I have black interface. If you want to achieve that, just go here, go to preference, and as you can see, I have selected the dark. Yours will be, you will have something like this. Okay, so when you click here, you select the dark, then you click apply. Okay, good. After that, let me show you what to do again. Let's go to advanced, and over here yours is like a site domain. Okay, so just click here and select localhost. After that, click apply. I did not change it, so I don't have to click that. Okay, so make sure you change it from site domain, this one, to localhost, and click apply. Let's see what else can we change here. Let me go here. Let me go down here. And here you see you have a different default email account here. Okay, it came with the installation, so just enter your real domain email account or the correct email account here and apply it. It will help you. So that is that it will be your default email account. Okay, that's the best, and I think the rest is okay. We don't have to do anything again. Yes, so we are done. So now to close that, click here to close it. Okay, so we are back to our dashboard here. So we are going to look at how to add website. As I said, I did this during the making video on the key version of the same tutorial. So I can click here. Okay, or if this is your first time, you see create an account here. Okay, create your first website or create website here. But because I already have one, that's why it is not here. But I can just click here, and after that, continue. You enter your site name. Let's say it's Localhost. Okay, I'm using my hosting name. Okay, good. Then continue. You don't have to change anything. Here you have to enter your username. I can make it Localhost, and the password too. I can just click here and enter my password. Okay, so you see my email account is here. I don't have to do anything again. You can just click here to check, is this a multi-site? It's not a multi-site. If it is multi-site, you can just go ahead and say yes or no, but there is not multi-site. So add site, and it is now creating our website. Okay, good. I can just close that. So it is adding our WordPress site, so we have to wait. Okay, please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course. I will advise you, in the course of creating your first website, you get a notification just to allow your firewall to yes, so make sure whatever will pop up here, you click allow. Okay, whatever that will pop up, just click allow. Okay, so as you can see, the installation is done and everything is perfect. Okay, so web server, if I want to go with Apache, I can go with Apache, but this one is okay. So let me maintain that. Okay, what else can we do here? Right now, if you want to go to our login details, I can just click here and it will take us to our login details where we have to enter our username or email and password. Okay, and let me close that for now, and this one too, I have to close it, and I cannot even close this one too. I don't need that anymore. Good. And what else can we do here? In case I don't want to enter, anytime I want to log in to my site, I don't want to enter my username and password again, I can just change that here. So just come back here and one click admin, just put this one on. It's off already. Put it on and you see your username here. When it happens like that, the next time you want to log in, you can just click here and automatically it will log you in. Okay, good. You see I am on my dashboard. What can we do here? As I said earlier, you can work on your site without internet. Okay, I want to switch off my internet. Okay, good. Now right now my internet is off, and let me show you that. Let me confirm that, so that I just want you to know that my internet is off. So let me come here and enter Localhost. When I click enter, it will show no internet, and that is the best. Okay, so let's open our site in a new tab. You see it's still loading fine. Okay, everything is okay. I can just refresh this page and it will still load. I can go to appearance here, themes, and activate this one. Let me go here and I'm going to refresh the page. You see, it will change. You see, it has changed. So you can work on your site without internet. You don't need internet. Okay. And okay, so let's see. And there's one thing I want to show you on the localhost. You see here we have themes. That is, we have 2023, 2024, and 2022. Okay, so let's go to our app again. So I've opened our app. In case, let's say, as you're working on your site, there's a certain plugin that is creating problem for you. When it happens like that, when you are trying to log in, it will deny you, or it will not allow you to log into your WordPress dashboard. With the localhost, this app, you can delete this plugin. Okay, good. Let me show you how to do that. Just open the app here, go to site folder. Okay, you see it has opened. It's below the taskbar, so I can just click on it and you can see here we have app. Click that, go to public, and there is the installation. Okay, when we go to WP content, we will see the theme and plugins here. If I want to delete a theme, I can just go here. Let's say I want to delete 2021 2022 theme. I can just click delete and it is gone. Now let's go back to our dashboard and see. Okay, so let me open it again, and here let me refresh the page. You see the 2022 is gone. Now I left with 2023 and 2024. So that is all. My internet is still off, but I can still work on my website. But one thing is that if you want to install a new plugin or a new theme on your WordPress dashboard, then you have to make sure that your internet is on. Right now, if I have a plugin on my WordPress on my computer, then I can install it and activate it without internet. That is all I want to show you right now. If you like this video, kindly please subscribe to this channel, because there's more. Okay, I'm going to show you more videos. I'm going to make a lot of videos which will be very useful to you, very, very important to you. So if you don't want to miss any of my videos, just subscribe to this channel, and so that anytime I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to get access. Okay, yes, and please don't forget to subscribe, okay, and share. You can even comment, leave comments. If you don't understand anything, just leave comments and I'll be glad and I'll answer the question for you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.